With AutoCAD Architecture, grids anchor other objects, such as columns, and constrain their locations. With column grids, you can place columns at the intersections within a grid. To begin, expand the tool palettes, and from the Design tab, select Column Grid. In the Drawing area, pick a point to set as the origin for the grid. On your keyboard, press Enter twice to end the command. Once the origin is placed, select the grid. The ribbon updates to show the Column Grid tab. Change the viewport to an isometric view. To add columns, back in the Tool Palettes Design tab, click Column. Next, hover your cursor over an intersection in the grid. A tooltip displays, indicating how to cycle through the various options for inserting columns. The first one, Add a column to a node, allows you to add one column to a specific node, the point in which the grid intersects. The other two options allow you to select multiple nodes to place multiple columns. On your keyboard, press Ctrl to activate the second option. Pick or window to select nodes. Icons display at the nodes or grid intersections. Press Ctrl again for the third option to add columns to all nodes. Once you have the last option enabled, pick a node, and columns are placed on all the nodes in the grid. Press Escape to end the command. Using column grids to place individual or multiple columns allows you to accurately and quickly place columns in your drawing.